Assalamu alaikum दोस्तों, welcome back to my channel Asli Tech. If you are not subscribed to my channel, so first of all subscribe to my channel so you will always get latest updates from me. In this video I am going to unbox Oppo handfree. I have bought this patch from daraz.pk. You can also search this on daraz.pk. Oppo handfree. Everyone can afford it. It comes in RS200 and is very best handfree. I have been using it for last 2 months and it's working almost perfectly. So let's start and unbox this patch to check out how it works and how it looks. So this is what the paper look that comes from the RAS. Now I am going to scratch this with this knife. So let's get start from this side. Oh, what? Oh, I was holding knife opposite side. Now it's working good. I have unboxed it. You can see. Now I will perfect this. This is nothing else. This two paper side we got. This is the paperwork we get. A little description was given on this. This comes in RS200 Oppo handfree. So this take this to side and view this handfree. This is the Oppo handfree stereo earphone. It's official from Oppo. It works very perfectly. I am using it for last couple of months. And if any one of you interested, search on daraz.pk and buy it. It's work very good. So let's unbox this. Hold the knife once again. Here is it and peel it. Yes, here we go. Yeah, wow. Let's cut this off. Here we get Oppo handfree. This, open this, scratch. Yes, here we done. Yes, here this is handfree. It looks like almost all handfrees. And take this, look this earphone side carefully. Amazing. Like, oh, let me cut this off. Look. There is some focus problem, but I will handle it. This is what it looks like. There's little bit focus problem, but it's okay. This is what it looks like, and this is very good handfree. I will suggest you to go and definitely buy it if you are looking for a handfree in almost RS200 PK. It's approximately 1.2 something dollars. Yes, I have put this in again, and this is what it looks like. Here is also a button for accepting phone calls whenever you have put this entry into it. This, if you double tap this, then it will stop the music, and if you again press it, it will resume it. So this is what it handfree look like. If anyone of you if any one of you is interested to buy this, definitely buy this. It's very low budget and it will not disturb you. It's very good handfree. Thank you.